Welcome back, guys. There's the unit right there. I got it all out besides the outer ring. So, I'll be working on that. Trying to crack it. I don't have a grinder that can get in there. Maybe I use a burr. Yeah, I am gonna use a burr. Of course, the damn frickin' wrench I need is missing. Come on. Motherfucker. Damn fucking basket. Yeah, that's the only fucking thing I can think of is using a carbide. Okay. That's what we need to do. Supposed to have my shipment of stuff from Westport coming tomorrow, so. Something's happening. This is what I usually do when I can't get the bearing. So I usually use the carbide and you can crack the bearing and it heats it up like what's happening here, and if you're careful you won't damage anything. It's a lot harder than it looks. Okay, let's crack the bearing in half. Should be use this. Yeah, sometimes if you're not careful you can bevel through or burr through the bearing and dig into the housing. Like I did right there. That side I didn't do, but right there I did. No, but there it is right there. Got that damn thing out. Now, I go ahead and weld that a little and just belt and just take that little burr and beat it down. You won't even know. But that is Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Come on. Okay. As you see right there, I went a little deep, and that happens sometimes. But got welder, just gonna weld that up a little, and then grind it down. I mean, if you were a little slower, you could probably not do that, but I've been at this for almost 2 hours now, and the damn fucking thing ain't coming off, so I'm starting to get fucking frustrated, to be honest. But we got her done. That's the last bearing in this housing, so it's ready to get welded, and then we're going to coat it the inside with lip bulb 1201, and then I don't know if I need to prime the outside in that, and then blue. There was red on the outside, but I don't know if that's what that was. So, all right, well, ain't much more I can do. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Boat's turning out okay, not perfect. Not perfect by any means, but it's turning out okay. Horizon, I think, is going to send me a new hull, and not warranty, but because the factory hull was defective or something. But yeah, but that's going to be on back order. I won't have it in time, so I'll just run the old hull. So, all right, catch you on the next one.